What's going on with the truckers? Man, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but basically truck drivers were sending me images and video, basically on the I-5 northbound in Tacoma, Washington area. A truck driver, he's arrested now, doing a little bit too much drinking, just piled through, I mean, 6 vehicles, which included another truck driver, and one person passed away from this. Here's some raw images of this, but from Google Maps it looks like northbound is still closed, so for now go a different direction. But I'm just telling you, I can't say this enough. You know, we have to be professional truck drivers out here. There's no reason for that truck driver doing some BS like that, but it's just crazy, man. But I just want to update you guys as this happening. This just happened a few hours ago.